Hello. Today we're going to show you how to merchandise cold coolers at Walmart. If it's cold, it's sold. So let's go in, we're going to show you each cooler and we'll take you through the process. Okay, so here we are at a typical register cooler, and on every cooler in our stores we have a QR code that's going to show you what the planogram is for inside the cooler. Everything has a place, so you have to follow the planogram specifically and make sure you get this cooler filled up. So here first we're going to show you the QR codes. So typically a QR code will always be on the left side of the cooler. If it's obstructed, then it'll be on the right side of the cooler. So if you have a smartphone, all you have to do is open up your camera, and if you scan the QR code, it will take you to a website that shows you the planogram. So here I am scanning that QR code, and I just hit that to open the website, and it will populate our Buffalo Rock planogram specific to this cooler. If it's a different brand of cooler, it will be a different set, but regardless, all you have to do is scan that QR code and populate the planogram.
Now that we've seen the QR code on our phone to know what goes exactly in the cooler, I'm going to approach the cooler, and the most important thing in the cooler is to, one, make sure we fill it first and foremost. Two, we've also got to shift the product so there's always something cold for the consumer to buy when they approach the cooler. So here we go. What we'll do is we'll approach the cooler, and as the door opens to the left, we're going to shift all the cold product to the right. And the biggest and most important thing for our brands is to face the product. So every time we shift the product, we're always facing it every time. Same thing, all the way down for every brand. We're always facing the product and always making sure the consumer has something cold. Once we finish doing that, as you can see, as we've shifted everything the way we're supposed to, then we want to make a list and count the amount of product that we need to fill this cooler. Once we make our list and verify it matches the planogram, we're going to go to the back room and load the product.